Has it ever happened to you that a file got changed, either by you or someone else, and now you wish you could go back to the version from a week ago? Hi, Gabriela Laszlo here from KloudGem. Today, we dive into the wonderful world of detailed version history in Google Files. Let's say that you are working with a colleague on a project brief. You contribute and they contribute to the document, and sometime during your collaboration, you realize that you want to go back to a previous version that has been overwritten. What now? Most Google Files, docs, sheets, slides, etc., have version history all the way back to when the file was created. Click File, Version History, See Version History. From here, you can see exactly who changed what and when in the file. And you can revert back to an earlier version and make this the current file, or create a copy of an earlier version, or simply copy and paste some deleted parts back into the file. This is also another great tool for our good friend Sherlock Holmes, because working in Google Files means you can always look back at what edits were made, when, and by whom. Elementary, my dear Watson. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to get notifications when a new video goes up on the KloudGem channel, subscribe. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us through our website, www.cloudgem.com. Thanks for watching. Until next time.